Tips for removing water and for drying your hardwood flooring after a flood. Water and wood just don't mix. If you've been following the aftermath of any hurricane, tornado or rain deluge, this should come as no surprise. When water sits on top of hardwood floors, it can permanently ruin the hardwood as the wood will absorb the water through its pores, causing warping and discoloration. So, if you have a flood or water damage or even just a spill on your hardwood flooring, you'll want to remove the water and dry your floors as quickly as possible. Speed is the key. The first 24 hours are critical, and the longer the wood is in contact with water, the worse the damage will be. If you remove the water from your hardwood floors quickly and properly dry them, you may be able to save the wood. Probably most of it anyway. Most likely, you will need to sand and refinish the wood afterwards. Then your floors will look brand new. And, you'll avoid the cost and hassle of ripping up and hauling away the hardwood as well as paying for new wood and installation. Refinishing hardwood is way less expensive versus replacing it. Below are some tips for water and moisture removal. What happens when your hardwood absorbs water? How to save hardwood floors after a flood. Save hardwood floors from water damage. Wood can get wet or moist in a number of ways: a flood from outside from the rain, leaky pipes or frozen pipes, ice damming, a toilet overflow, a leaky roof, a hurricane or storm, an appliance breaks or leaks like a dishwasher or washing machine, a fire when water is used to extinguish the fire, water spills or accidents, pet accidents, a high water table in the ground that then forces water into your subfloor from the ground. When wood gets wet, the wood absorbs the water and begins to expand and eventually cup or warp. This is when the sides of the wood flooring swell and rise higher than the center of the boards, creating an uneven surface. Bear in mind that even if the water is topical, i.e. on top of the wood finish, it often penetrates through the cracks between the planks and/or can be absorbed by the plywood subfloor underneath the hardwood. If you have engineered hardwood, the water can also pass through the planks and loosen the glue beneath so that the floors start to pop up as they expand. When you do get water damage, it's important to remove the water quickly and dry the floors, not only to potentially save the hardwood flooring and subfloor, but also to prevent mold growth, which can of course be a bigger problem and more expensive to resolve. According to the EPA, mold growth can start within 48 to 72 hours when your floors or walls get wet. Call Forever Restorations, a company that specializes in water damage repair and removal while being experts in wood floor repair and replacement. Call us at 815-529-5279 or email Chris at foreverrestorations.com for a free wood floor damage estimate or consultation.